Good morning. Welcome to Marketing Workout. Today I want to talk about some of the top marketing books for beginners. So if you're looking to get into marketing or would like to know a little bit more about how to do marketing, here are some of the top ones that I like. So Perry Marshall has a series of fantastic books, both on Google Ads and Facebook ads. Perry Marshall, Perry, books are fantastic. They're updated semi regularly. If you do Google Ads or know anything about them, same with Facebook, they change often. The books are updated every, I want to say, year or two. Another guy named Dan Kennedy, fantastic. He's got an entire series of books. They're available on Amazon. There's probably about 10 to 15 different books based on different areas. His big thing that I'm aware of is direct marketing, like direct mail, direct response marketing, and writing ad copy. The guy is a legend for a reason, Dan Kennedy. And the next one I'm going to talk about is a guy named Robert Cialdini, Cialdani, I believe. He wrote a book called Influence. It's fantastic. It's more about psychology than marketing, but there's really these kind of principles of how do you influence people? How do you not pull their strings? That's the wrong way to put it, but that has a negative connotation, I would say. But the idea what influences people, what influences their decisions, what influences them to really make a judgment call. So Perry Marshall, Dan Kennedy, Robert Cialdini, if you read what they have to offer, you'll be ahead of the game. And that is today's thought.